Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y28 4G with 3D diamond pattern design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.68 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1608 pixels, approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits peak brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel wide-angle front camera located in centered punch hole. Video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended virtual RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 7.99, or 8.09 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options: agate green, gleaming orange colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, FM radio support, and with IP64 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y28 4G has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 6,299 Thai baht, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 6,999 Thai baht. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo Y28 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.